This is my pediatrician husband being very gentle with our children.
1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2,
This makes Mommy very nervous. Watch, here comes Jack.
Ready?
Watch out, Jack. Jack, watch out. Jack, get out of the way, bud. Get out of the way.
Get out!
Stay right there.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi.
Fun and games with the kids. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This is the famous mattress at our house.
Ready?
Watch out, Jack.
1, 2, 3. Ready?
Okay, bye-bye.
A headache.
You have a headache now. Why do you have a headache?
For you and for me, like, yeah.